It's really important to have a profile picture. So go to google.com and then you'll notice you have two icons. Yours might just be a circle with your initials in it if you've never added a photo before. You make sure to click on the lower profile picture. When you click on that, you'll see an edit pencil right here. Left click on that. And then you want to choose the option to change. So once here, you'll see you have three options. You can use one of their illustrations they have here. I would suggest, if this is your professional account though, to use a photo that really identifies who you are, as this is how a lot of people identify you with an email address when they're maybe searching your name to make sure that it's you. So you can go to your Google Photos, or you can upload one from your computer. So I'm going to choose from computer, and then you can upload from the computer by clicking here, or you can take a picture if you have a camera, or you can even just drag the photo. So I'm going to drag the photo from my desktop and drop it here. So once you do that, you'll notice the little crop images on around the photo. So you can actually, find a smaller part of your photo. If you want to just a certain part of it, you would just left click and drag. If your photo came in upside down, you could click here to just rotate it. All right, I'm going to get it back to how it is. Then you would click next. Notice here it does say it could take a day or two to see the change across all your Google services. So keep that in mind if you don't see it right away. And then once you've made your decision and you know that's the photo you want, go ahead and click on Save as Profile Picture. It will make that change. Notice mine, it did make the change right away. Sometimes you just have to come up here to the left-hand corner and click the little refresh or F5. Another option, if you've had past photos and you want to go back to one, you can click on these three dots in the upper corner, click on Past Profile Photos, and then it'll show you any of the other photos you've had, and you can choose one of those as well. All right, and that is how you change your profile picture.